Okay, Ma'am Irene, imbitahan niyo po ang mga followers ng Sports Corner PH and then si Centro Luzon Balita to pumunta and of course, suporta ng national team para sa CSAT Championships.
Yes, I would like to invite everybody to support the Philippine team in the upcoming Southeast Asian shooting, 46 Southeast Asian shooting, this November 24 to December 14. So, laban lang po Pilipinas. Sana makarating kayo, supportahan nyo kami.
And of course, message of support sa ating mga Pinoy shooters natin.
Yes, to my shooters, our shooters, I hope you're all practicing and I know you've been very excited, more than excited, and you're preparing and really training for this event. So good luck sa ating lahat and I know you can do it.
Alright, thank you so much.
Go for gold.
Yan, go for gold. Thank you so much po and God bless.
Thank you very much.